Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 7, Session 28, Net Ionic Equations. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to write total ionic and net ionic equations for aqueous reactions. Listen for these key terms: aqueous, spectator ion, complete ionic equation, net ionic equation, precipitate. First, heap the three chemistry levels together. A net ionic equation shows only the particles that actually change during a reaction. Spectator ions appear in the same form on both sides, so they are removed from the final equation. This helps you focus on the chemical event rather than every ion in the beaker. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. For strong aqueous ionic compounds, split them into ions. Keep solids, liquids, gases, weak acids, and molecular substances together. Cancel spectator ions. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Precipitation reaction. AgNO3AQ plus sodium chloride AQ gives silver chloride S plus NaNO3AQ. The complete ionic equation is Ag plus NO3 minus plus Na plus Cl minus gives silver chloride S plus NO3 minus. Sodium and nitrate are spectators. The net ionic equation is Ag plus Cl minus gives silver chloride S. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. Net ionic equations reveal the same reaction can occur with different spectator ions. Silver nitrate with potassium chloride still has Ag plus Cl minus gives silver chloride S. Potassium and nitrate watch from the side. Now answer this self-check. In Ag plus Cl minus gives silver chloride S, what is silver chloride? A strong answer should include precipitate. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Write the net ionic equation for BaCl2AQ plus Na2SO4AQ gives BaSO4S plus 2NaClAQ. Task 2. Define spectator ion in your own words. Task 3. Explain why net ionic equations are shorter than complete ionic equations. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.